In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Google Calendar ISS and import to Google Sheets, Excel. To begin, you will need to use a computer, since the export options are easiest to access on the desktop version. Open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. Once your calendar loads, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. In the menu that opens, select Settings to enter the full settings page. On the left side, find and click Import and Export. This section includes both importing events into Google Calendar and exporting your existing calendars out of it. Under the Export area, click the Export button. Google Calendar will download a zip file to your computer. This zip is important because it contains one or more ICS files, which are standard calendar files. After the download finishes, extract or unzip the folder so you can access the individual ICS file for the calendar you want. Next, let us bring calendar data into Google Sheets using a tool connection. Open the Google Sheet where you want the data to appear. In the top menu, click Extensions. From there, choose to launch the Coefficient add-on. In the Add-on panel, select Coefficient, then proceed through the connection flow by choosing the appropriate workspace or category, such as a team or department option, and enter a name for the import when prompted. Then click Next to continue through the setup screens, clicking Next as you advance. When you reach the import source options, click Import From. Then choose Google Sheets, Excel, and CSV. Select CSV, then choose Upload File. Click the File Picker area and upload the file you are using for this import. If the add-on requests permission, click Authorize, select your Google account, and approve access so the import can run successfully. Finally, for Excel, open Microsoft Excel. Go to File, then Open, and select the ICS file you extracted earlier. Excel will open it and may prompt you with an import experience to help format the calendar data. If you prefer, you can also use an online converter to convert the ICS file into an XLSX file before opening it in Excel. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.